Okay, now it's going to give you a bunch of places where you can download it. Let's just choose the first one. And here's another window, and we want to download it now. And we want to save the file. And you can see that since we were using with Firefox, well, look how quick that came down. And whereas it says it's going into all files downloaded to downloads. Okay, so you can say open. You can do that here. We don't have to go through the whole process. And we say, okay, we know it's executable file as we want it to execute. And we want to allow this to happen. And by the way, you can right now close that folder. And we want to go through and hit next. We're going to take all the defaults here and tell it to install. And it says, would you like it to check regularly for updates? Yes, we do. If they update it, we want to know. And here you go. We say run it. And there's finish. And guess what? Here we go. We have a whole menu here. We can choose to write an image, file to disk. We can go over here and write folders, files and folders, and create. Yes, they have a help menu, verify this, discover. You can choose which process you want to do, and this program will guide you through it. They have tools, they have helps, and we did this all with something that won't be gone in 30 or 60 days, and a low learning curve because it's all done with menus. So that's ImageBurn, and that's a good product.